Hello, in this short video I would like to describe what is an array, and then from there we go to angles. So array is a directed line segment. It consists of one point on a line and another point, for example F here. So this endpoint here, E to F, makes the array EF. So the symbol, the way we write the array is you put EF with an arrow on top, or sometimes we call it the vector or the array U. Here you see I'm using array and vectors because later on we're going to be talking about vectors, which is the same as arrays. And angle, now if we take two arrays, the union of these two arrays makes an angle. So the endpoint is called here a vertex. This endpoint is called vertex of the angle. So the two arrays are side of the angles, these two arrays. Okay, and sometimes these angles here, we call them with the Greek letters like theta, phi, alpha, beta, or gamma. Those are just Greek letters that describe the angle we're going to be talking about.